I'm looking for a house to take on, I look for somebody that wants one person to stop by once a week and do everything. I'm responsible for everything that happens while I'm here. Definitely like to be hands-on with everything. Honestly, my biggest thing is really taking the time to make sure everything looks good. Just attention to detail, really, because it's pretty simple stuff, but you do have to take the time to do it and try and stay efficient, keep things clean, and keep the customer happy. We are in Livermore, California, right outside the Bay Area. I do residential gardening, strictly garden maintenance, so keeping people's houses looking nice. You really need tools that'll keep up with your schedule, and it's very important that you have tools that are efficient, have enough power to get the job done. It's the most important part of the job. So we got these 3 dwarf olive trees. We're gonna kind of take them in right here, do a nice little ball shape, try and perfect the circle as best as I can, and we're gonna do that for all 3 of them. Back in 2019, I just started seeing battery equipment, and I decided to make my first purchase. It was kind of a slow progression, really. It was start kind of collecting batteries, looking for deals when they were around, grab a couple tools, acquiring chargers. I was definitely skeptical, but it worked so good that I just ended up sticking with it. Had no reason to go back to gas tools. It had all the power, had all the speed, efficiency, performed exactly like a gas tool without all the maintenance that's required with a gas tool. You know, when I had gas stuff, I would come home after a long day of work and I'd have to replace a carburetor on a blower. Some days I'd have to do like a full service on string trimmer, everything really. I do not miss being like a small engine mechanic in my own garage. There's just so much stuff that goes wrong with some of those things. Now I get home, spend time with the kids, go to sleep, batteries are charging in the garage, put them back in the trailer, and I'm good to go the next day. I just used these 2 12.0s on the blower for all these leaves and on the mower. Still got 3/4 charge. 2 batteries in the mower last me like all day. I could do 7, 8 of these houses, front and back. Don't really have to stop and fill up gas, never have to worry about the pull start ripping off, never have to worry about something jammed in the carburetor. It's just kind of ready to go when I need it. If I do go through a pair of batteries, or if I go through a battery, I just grab some more out of the box and pop them on and ready to go. Kind of night and day, honestly, compared to the old gas tools. It's a lot better quality, a lot stronger, a lot better speed, efficiency, everything. So it's a lot easier to switch out your old gas tools with new Milwaukee tools. You know, I sold all my gas stuff. It's gone. I see no reason to purchase anything gas-powered again.